next apartment, and it is in Porto. So let's check this place out. So this is Malcolm. What do you think of the apartment, Malcolm?
This one's awesome.
So this is our living room.
This one's all about the location.
And they got a big TV, which we will never turn on. And this is one of the patios, one of the balconies. Now this is all about location and view. So this is lovely.
Mm-hmm.
And there's the kitchen. And here's another balcony with another view. And here's the kitchen. It's well equipped. Even has a dishwasher. And it has, behind those doors, there's a washer dryer and the utility room. So we've got everything we need. Here is the bathroom. Looks lovely. Shower. Nice glass shower. Here's bedroom number 1. It's lovely. And here is bedroom number 2. Another lovely room. It also has a balcony, just in case we don't have enough balconies here. So this is where we're going to be for the next 10 nights.